Did you know your kitchen holds ingredients that can outprice luxury creams? Take honey. It's not just sweet, it's a natural humectant that draws moisture into your skin better than some high-end serums. And the best part? You probably already have it in your pantry. Let's unlock the glowing skin secrets hiding in your fridge and cabinets. Welcome to the world of DIY kitchen skincare, where avocado becomes your moisturizer, yogurt transforms into a gentle exfoliant, and oats soothe irritation, all without synthetic additives or eye-watering price tags. These ingredients aren't just food, they're backed by science to nourish your skin. Forget confusing labels and questionable chemicals. Today, we're harnessing nature's pantry for a radiant, healthy glow. Let's face it, the skincare industry can be overwhelming. With serums, creams, and toners promising miracles, it's easy to spend a fortune, only to end up with dullness, breakouts, or sensitivity. Many commercial products are packed with alcohol, fragrances, or preservatives that irritate skin over time. Worse, natural brands often charge premium prices for basic ingredients. But what if you could skip the guesswork and costs by using what's already in your kitchen? 1. Avocado and Honey Hydration Mask. Avocado is loaded with vitamins E and C, plus fatty acids that repair your skin barrier. Mash half an avocado with a tablespoon of raw honey, a natural antibacterial and humectant. Apply this creamy mix for 15 minutes. Rinse and feel your skin plump with hydration. Pro tip: add a teaspoon of olive oil to combat extra dryness and signs of aging. 2. Yogurt and Oatmeal Exfoliating Scrub. Yogurt's lactic acid gently dissolves dead skin cells, while oatmeal's beta-glucans calm redness. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon of ground oats. Massage in circular motions for 2 minutes. Rinse to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Perfect for sensitive types. Enjoying these herbal hacks? Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps me get the message out. Okay, let's get back to it. 3. Turmeric and Lemon Brightening Paste. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation, and lemon's vitamin C lightens dark spots. Combine 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Leave on for 10 minutes. Caution: lemon can cause photosensitivity. Always follow with SPF. Rinse to see an instant glow. Bonus: turmeric may also help clear up acne and reduce scarring. 4. Cucumber and Aloe Soothing Toner. Blend cucumber, rich in silica, with aloe vera gel for a cooling toner. Soak a cotton pad and swipe over skin to reduce puffiness and redness. Store in the fridge for a week, perfect for post-sun recovery. For instant radiance, try the coffee grounds and coconut oil Revitalizing Scrub. Coffee's caffeine tightens skin and reduces puffiness, while coconut oil moisturizes. Mix 1 tablespoon coffee grounds with 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Gently scrub for 2 minutes. Rinse and boom, your face looks awake, even if you're not. So there you have it. Avocado hydrates, yogurt exfoliates, turmeric brightens, and coffee revitalizes. These recipes are simple, affordable, and free from harsh chemicals. Glowing skin isn't about expensive jars. It's about smart, natural ingredients. Your kitchen isn't just for cooking. It's your new skincare lab. Ready to glow? Try these recipes and share your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this content helpful. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you took a second and gave it a thumbs up. Interested in more science-backed, down-to-earth wellness gems? Then you'll want to subscribe and hit the bell. Don't forget to check out the next video we've lined up for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Join us as we make science simple, one herbal hack at a time.